Feeding your worms the right way keeps them happy, healthy, and working hard to turn scraps into nutrient-rich compost. Let's dive into the basics. First up, understanding the worm diet. Worms love most fruits, veggies, grains, and eggshells. Avoid things like dairy, meats, and oily foods. A simple rule: keep it plant-based and as organic as possible. Next, create a feeding schedule. Try feeding your worms once or twice a week, but keep an eye on how quickly they're consuming the food. If there's leftover food each time, scale back to avoid overfeeding. It's all about balance. Portion control is key. Think small. Chop up those scraps into small pieces to make it easier for your worms to digest. This also reduces the chance of attracting unwanted pests. To speed things up, try pre-treating your food scraps. Freeze, then thaw them or allow them to partially decompose. This breaks down the food faster, making it easier for your worms to enjoy. And that's it. With a simple diet, balanced feeding schedule, and a few preparation tricks, your worms will thrive, and so will your compost. If you enjoyed these tips, hit that like button and subscribe for more worm farming advice.